This is KL. Never heard of it. They have a lot of bikes. Brera GT 350, 208 kilograms, 5,400 euro. Not Maxi scooter, this is 350. Brera. KL. What is this? Black edition. Nexi Plus 125cc, 136 kilograms, 3,000 euro. Nexi for you, also 125, I guess. Nice colors. Brera Plus, also 125. Alright, they have a bunch of bikes, never heard of them. They even have an adventure. One looks like a big bike, but it's 125 dual. That's called Dual 125. Dual 125X. 3,500 euro, 153 kilos. Let's do a 125X. Different color. Alright. Brera X. Small is also 125. Adventure type. Scooter, okay.